Excuse me, excuse me.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Ken, what do you do for a living?
Me? I'm a dancer. A dance instructor. And a barista.
Can we join you and check out what your day is like?
Okay, let's go.
Where are we going?
We're gonna buy some fruits kasi I want to make a drink. Hello, may kalamansi pa.
So, anong English ng kalamansi?
Kalamansi?
Ate, anong English?
Lemon natin.
Anong English ng kalamansi?
Kalamansi.
Kalamansi. So, how long ka na lang barista?
2 years?
2 years? Kamusta naman maging barista?
Siyempre masarap kasi dito ako nagtatrabaho eh.
Saan?
Sa kantin. No pickles in this beer. And also, I'm gonna make a Brazilian lemon tea. Brazilian lemon hot weather. Basically, calamansi since usually may lime na pero wala tayong lime dito. It's a drop. So, I'm gonna use calamansi and since Tansin Software, may no sa mayo.
Mahilig ka sa Brazilians.
Yes, the Brazilian.
Sample, sample.
So easy, calamansi plus water. Easy. And there. Cup. Strainer. Juice.
So,
Hydrated with this new drink of ours. So,
ano tawag yun?
ito, Brazilian lemon.
May key lime pie.
Key lime pie. So, water muna. Para guys.
Banyo.
Ayan. Siyempre yung juice. Yun. Then,
Galing mo ah, paano ka natuto sa, ano, parang bartender?
practice.
So you're a bartender din? YouTube
Bartender
lang.
pwede rin. Paminsan ko. Tapos ito, depending gano'ng tamis gusto mo. Pero, kayo mas
Sweet ka ba?
Ako? Sakto.
Saka lang. Hindi eh.
Kaya dadagdagan ko pa.
Ah, sige. Kailangan natin.
Isa pa. Isa pang tulo. Okay.
Okay.
You'll hear it when it's done.
Bakit may kembot? Okay na yan.
Lang, I'm the master.
Bilis, oh, na ako yung
Wow.
Wow. Anong amoy? May kilikili mo.
Lime fry.
Yan. Okay. Nice. Taste test.
Refreshing.
From 1 to 10.
Kasi ako gumawa. Eh.
Available ba yan sa shop mo?
Sa shop ko? Dito, naman. Watch out for it. Sing. One fresh water. Juice. Dami natin. Yan. Ulala. Sarap. Candid drink of the month. Lime pie.